Hello everyone, Dr. Austin Fontenot here at Central Chiropractic. Today, my topic of discussion was healthy estrogen levels and estrogen metabolism. The first place we go to in looking in healthy estrogen production are the adrenal glands. Now, I've discussed the importance of the adrenal glands in previous videos. This just reinforces how important the adrenal glands are in the human body. So, you have cholesterol, dietary cholesterol, that's then changed into pregnenolone by the adrenals. The adrenals then take pregnenolone, and that can be either converted to cortisol or something called DHEA. Now, the more desirable outcome in a relaxed person should be DHEA, because DHEA will then be converted to estrogen or estrogen metabolites by the liver. Now, I'm skipping a couple of steps for the sake of simplicity, but essentially that's how it happens. But a person in a stressful state, under constant stress that doesn't manage it well, the adrenals will then use the pregnenolone and convert it to cortisol. So you can see how not managing stress properly, not eating properly, not taking the right supplements will steal cholesterol from pregnenolone to turn it into cortisol instead of estrogen and having healthy estrogen levels. Now, what should you take? What kind of supplements should you take? What should you do to maintain healthy estrogen levels? Well, there's one supplement in particular that I like called DIM. DIM is a plant-based compound. It comes from cruciferous vegetables. It does a great job in converting DHEA into estrogen. Anything that would support adrenal function would also support this process. We go back to things like ashwagandha and rhamania. Those are some of my favorite. Licorice root. You also need a host of B vitamins, particularly B3. Niacin is the most important in that aspect. Also, what you want to do is make sure you have a healthy liver, and how you do that is you got to load up on your antioxidants. You have to maintain a clean diet, minimize the carbs, the unhealthy trans fats, to minimize the alcohol, the caffeine, anything that could be toxic that's backing up your liver function. And doing these things is difficult, and you might need guidance, in which case I exist. So thanks for watching the video. I'm Dr. Austin Fontenot. See y'all later.